Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Today we're diving into the best all-in-one hacking tools for beginners in 2025. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your toolkit, these tools are perfect for you. We'll be looking at a mix of tools that are easy to use, versatile, and powerful enough to give you a real taste of ethical hacking. From network scanning to password cracking, we've got you covered. So grab your favorite beverage, get comfortable, and let's get started. First up, we have Metasploit. And let me tell you, this thing is a beast. It's not just a tool, it's an entire ecosystem designed to make your hacking endeavors more efficient and effective. Imagine a tool that's like the Swiss Army knife of hacking. That's Metasploit. It's packed with features that cater to both beginners and seasoned professionals. It's a penetration testing framework that gives you a massive library of exploits, payloads, and tools to play with. Whether you're looking to test a specific vulnerability or conduct a full-scale security assessment, Metasploit has you covered. Now, don't let the word framework scare you off. It might sound complex, but it's designed to be accessible. Metasploit has a really intuitive interface, especially if you opt for the Pro version. The Pro version offers additional features and a more polished user experience, making it easier to navigate and utilize. But even the open-source version is surprisingly beginner-friendly. You don't need to be a coding wizard to get started. You can literally search for an exploit by name or vulnerability type, and Metasploit will walk you through the process. It's like having a mentor guiding you every step of the way. One of the things I love about Metasploit is its versatility. It's not just a one-trick pony, it's a multifaceted tool that adapts to your needs. You can use it for everything from simple port scanning to launching complex attacks. The range of functionalities it offers is truly impressive. It supports a wide range of operating systems and platforms, so you're not limited to just Windows or Linux. Whether you're on macOS, Unix, or even mobile platforms, Metasploit has got you covered. And the best part? Metasploit has a huge and active community. This means continuous updates, shared knowledge, and a support system that's always there for you. So, if you ever get stuck, there are tons of resources and tutorials available online. From forums to video guides, the community has created a wealth of information to help you out. Trust me, you won't be left hanging. The support and resources available make it easier to overcome any hurdles you might face. But Metasploit isn't just about brute forcing your way in. It's about smart strategic hacking. It also has some really slick features for post-exploitation like privilege escalation and maintaining access. These features allow you to secure your position and gather more information. Once you've gained a foothold, Metasploit can help you dig deeper and really understand the vulnerabilities you're dealing with. It's about gaining a comprehensive understanding of the target system. For beginners, I'd recommend starting with the basic tutorials and working your way up. These tutorials are designed to ease you into the more complex aspects of the tool. There's a bit of a learning curve, but once you get the hang of it, Metasploit will become your go-to tool for all things hacking. The initial effort is well worth the payoff. It's powerful, it's versatile, and it's constantly evolving, which is why it's at the top of our list. With Metasploit, you're always ahead of the curve, ready to tackle any security challenge that comes your way. Next, we have Nmap, which stands for Network Mapper. This tool is all about reconnaissance. Think of it as the scouting mission before the main event. Nmap lets you scan networks, identify devices, and even fingerprint operating systems. Now you might be thinking, scanning networks sounds complicated, but trust me, Nmap makes it incredibly easy. You can literally just type in Nmap followed by the target IP address or domain name, and boom, Nmap will give you a wealth of information. But Nmap isn't just about basic scans, it has a ton of advanced features, like port scanning, OS fingerprinting, and even service identification. You can use it to find open ports, identify running services, and even get a sense of the security posture of your target. One of the things I love about Nmap is its speed and efficiency. It can scan thousands of ports in seconds, and it's surprisingly accurate when it comes to identifying operating systems and services. Plus, it's incredibly lightweight and runs on pretty much any platform you can think of. Nmap is a must-have tool for any aspiring hacker, whether you're into penetration testing, network security, or just want to learn more about how networks work. It's powerful, it's easy to use, and it's completely free. Now, let's talk about Wireshark. the king of network traffic analysis. This tool is widely regarded as the gold standard in the industry, and for good reason. This tool is like having a microscope for your network, allowing you to capture and analyze every single packet of data that flows through it. Imagine being able to see the tiniest details of your network's activity, right down to the individual bits and bytes. Wireshark has a bit of a steeper learning curve than the previous tools we've discussed. But trust me, it's worth the effort. There are plenty of resources available, including online courses and tutorials to help you get up to speed. Once you understand how to use it, you'll be able to see exactly what's happening on your network in real time. This real-time analysis can be crucial for identifying and resolving issues as they occur. One of the coolest things about Wireshark is its ability to filter and analyze traffic based on specific criteria. This means you can zero in on exactly what you're looking for without getting overwhelmed by the sheer volume of data. You can filter by protocol, IP address, port number, or even specific data patterns. This level of granularity allows you to pinpoint issues or anomalies with incredible precision. This makes it incredibly powerful for troubleshooting network issues, identifying security threats, and even reverse engineering network protocols. Whether you're a network admin or a cybersecurity professional, these capabilities are invaluable. Wireshark also has a really handy feature called Follow TCP Stream, which lets you reconstruct entire conversations between two devices on the network. This can be a game changer for understanding complex interactions and debugging issues. This can be incredibly useful for understanding how applications communicate with each other and for identifying malicious activity. By following the data streams, you can uncover hidden patterns and potential threats. Now, I know what you're thinking. Analyzing network traffic sounds super boring. It might seem like a tedious task at first glance. But trust me, it can be surprisingly addictive. Once you start uncovering the hidden details and solving network mysteries, you'll find it hard to stop. It's like solving a puzzle, piecing together clues from the network traffic to understand what's really going on. Each packet of data is a piece of the puzzle, and Wireshark helps you put it all together. If you're serious about cybersecurity or just want to gain a deeper understanding of how networks work, Wireshark is an absolute must-have tool. Its depth and versatility make it an essential part of any network professional's toolkit. It's powerful, it's versatile, and it's completely free. There's no reason not to give it a try and see how it can transform your approach to network analysis. Moving on to John the Ripper, the tool that strikes fear into weak passwords everywhere. This software is a favorite among both ethical hackers and those with less noble intentions due to its sheer power and versatility. This bad boy is a password cracker, and it's surprisingly good at what it does. It's designed to be fast, efficient, and highly effective, making it a go-to tool for anyone needing to test password security. Whether you're dealing with hashed passwords, encrypted files, or even just weak password policies, John the Ripper can probably crack it. Its ability to handle various encryption methods makes it a formidable tool in the right hands. Now, before you go using John the Ripper to hack your friends' Facebook accounts, let me just say that using password cracking tools for unethical purposes is a big no-no. It's important to remember that with great power comes great responsibility. However, John the Ripper can be incredibly useful for ethical hacking, penetration testing, and even just for testing the strength of your own passwords. It's a valuable tool for anyone serious about cybersecurity. One of the things that makes John the Ripper so effective is its ability to use multiple cracking methods. This flexibility allows it to adapt to different types of password protection. It can use dictionary attacks, brute force attacks, rainbow table attacks, and even more sophisticated methods, and even hybrid attacks that combine multiple methods. This makes it a versatile tool capable of tackling a wide range of password challenges. This means that no matter how complex the password, John the Ripper has a good chance of cracking it. Its efficiency and effectiveness are unmatched in the world of password cracking tools. Another great thing about John the Ripper is its flexibility. It can be customized to suit different needs and environments, making it a favorite among professionals. It runs on pretty much any platform you can think of, from Windows to Linux to macOS, and even more obscure systems. And it supports a wide range of hashing algorithms and file formats. This broad compatibility ensures that it can handle almost any password cracking task you throw at it. Plus, it's constantly being updated with new cracking methods and features. The developers behind John the Ripper are always working to improve its capabilities. So, if you're looking for a powerful and versatile password cracking tool, John the Ripper is definitely worth checking out. its reputation in the cybersecurity community speaks for itself. Just remember to use it responsibly. Ethical use of such tools is crucial in maintaining the integrity and security of our digital world. Last but not least, we have air cracking, the ultimate tool for Wi-Fi hacking. This suite of tools is specifically designed for assessing the security of wireless networks, and it's packed with features that will make you feel like a digital ninja. Now, before you go using air cracking to hack your neighbor's Wi-Fi, let me just reiterate that using hacking tools for unethical purposes is illegal and harmful. However, air cracking can be incredibly useful for ethical hacking, penetration testing, and even just for learning more about how Wi-Fi security works. Air cracking can be used for a wide range of Wi-Fi hacking tasks, including monitoring wireless networks. Air cracking can scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks, capture wireless traffic, and even identify hidden networks. Cracking Wi-Fi passwords. Air cracking can crack WEP and WPA/WPA2PSK passwords using a variety of methods, including dictionary attacks, brute force attacks, and even exploiting vulnerabilities in certain routers. Injecting traffic into wireless networks. Air cracking can inject specially crafted packets into wireless networks, which can be used for a variety of purposes, such as launching denial-of-service attacks or bypassing captive portals. Air cracking is a powerful and versatile tool that can be used for a wide range of Wi-Fi hacking tasks. However, it's important to use it responsibly and ethically. Always obtain permission before testing the security of any wireless network, and never use air cracking for illegal or harmful purposes. And there you have it, folks. Those are the top all-in-one hacking tools for beginners in 2025. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech content. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.